ready for the rush. We'll go first. Beachtrap says we'll summon Typhoon and Bombing Bird. Wow, this pigeon really does know how to duel.
I wonder what strategies a bird will use.
Next, we set 3 cards and end our turn.
Those cards must be trap cards. His name's Pidge Trap after all.
We shall see, won't we? All right, bro, it's my turn. I summon Sports Dragon Slugger and the Fire Dragon. Very good. Beachtrap says we're using one of our traps.
Which one?
Well, the one we can activate when you summon a monster. Peephole Heart lets us draw a card. And then, if this card's a trap, our monsters gain 800 attack points. That means both our birds power up. But I can do one better by tribute summoning. Feel that static in the air? Can you sense the voltage crackling all around? Say hey to a monster that really knows how to take charge. Shock Dragon! He says, oh no! Next up, I activate Dragonic Advanced Return. This spell lets me revive 2 monsters. Sports Dragon Slugger and the Fire Dragon! That's 2 more monsters I can use to tribute summon. I'm gonna ice this duel with a Frosty Frostbiter that'll give you Frostbite! Uh-oh! Ancient Arise Dragon! That's not good! It gets worse! I send the top card in my deck to the graveyard to activate Shock Dragon's effect. Your Bombing Bird loses attack points equal to Ancient Arise Dragons. Diabolical Depletion! Awesome move!
I love how this is shaping up.
Luke may be dueling a bird, but he's the one who's flying high right now.
And I'll fly even higher by sending another card in my deck to the graveyard to activate Ancient Arise Dragon's other effect. It gains 600 attack points. Icy Increase! Oh no! Shock Dragon, attack Bombing Bird. Furious Fist of Frenetic Force! But wait, Beachtrap says we'll now activate our second trap. Another one? Watch out! The sky's falling! What? It is? Look out! Everybody duck and roll! Just kidding! What? That's not nice!
Seriously, Luke?
And now, we discard a card from our hand to activate Counter Cannonball! This trap strikes you with 200 points of damage for every level that Ancient Arise has. So the sky really is falling for you. That stung, but I've taken bigger blows than that. That's why it won't slow me down one bit. Go! Shock Dragon! Whoa, he's pretty good. Hey, knock it off! I didn't see you blocking that attack either, so stop blaming me! Attack, Ancient Arise Dragon! Frightening Frostbite Flux! Ooh, your attack lets us activate trap number 3! Come on, again? Don't you know that it's rude to interrupt people? We're returning Bombing Bird back to our deck to activate Counter Shield! With this, your Ancient Arise Dragon loses 1,000 attack points! No! Ancient Arise Dragon is one of my faves! Ah! Enough traps! No more!
Sheesh, Luke, you're letting a few traps trip you up?
I think that pigeon has gotten into Luke's head and laid a big old rotten egg inside of it.
I end my turn. Just go. You got it, Luke. Here we go.